Hello, Bridge students. This is your reteach for TEKS 8.5E. Now, covers direct variation. And first, I want y'all to take a look at our two direct variation equations. One, notice the K, and the K stands for a constant of variation, or a direct variation, which is a constant proportionality. And so I'm going to cover that as we go through this problem. And that is going to be the y over the x. And then also we have another little equation, which is y equals the k over the x. And so we need to see if we can find a k, which is a constant rate of change whether we look at a table or if it tells us directly in the problem. That is going to be key to see if we have a direct variation. Either we're going to have to find the K in a table, or we're going to look for this key phrase in a word problem. So let's go and hunt for a K. All right? That's the whole thing with direct variation. We are looking for the K. All right, let's take a look. So my first step is I'm going to read the first word problem. And it says the distance when he drives varies directly with the amount of time she has been driving. She drives 420 miles in an hour. And first, we're going to find the K. Then we're going to find out how far will she drive in 12 hours. Then we're going to write our little equation and figure out that amount. So my first order of biz, I am going to highlight this key phrase, varies directly with. So that means I can find the K. Now you say, well, what is the K? Well, it says there's distance here. So the distance is going to vary directly with time. So what that is saying is that the y distance is going to vary directly with time x. So we know that here distance, miles, is going to vary directly with the hours. Okay, so what we're going to do in order to find the K, we are going to take 420 and divide that by 6 hours. And we are going to get 70. Now the next part asks us to see how far will she drive in 12 hours. Well, I'm going to come down and look at the equation. And I'm going to write an equation, and it's going to be y equals how far will she drive in 12 hours. So we know the K, which is 70, and we know how long it's going to be. It's going to be 12 hours. And so if we multiply that together, that is going to be how long it'll be in 12 hours. And that is going to be 840 miles. So I can write it in both blanks if you like. Now, if we take a look at the relationship of the two tables and the inputs and the outputs, and to see which one has a constant of proportionality that represents the K that we just discovered, okay? So, which one would have a K of 7? All we would have to do is take a look at your table. So, this represents the X, the miles represents the Y. So this represents the X, this represents the Y. Now all you have to do, you go back to look at your little formula or recall what direct variation and what the K is, and you are going to divide 70 divided by 1, 140 divided by 2, 210 divided by 3. Make sure they all, when you divide them up, they all equal to 70. So when I take 70 divided by 1, I get 70. 140 divided by 2, I get 70. 210 divided by 3, I get 70. So I know that this K is equal to 70. So I know that this represents Winnie's travel time. Good luck on your reteach.